On today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace your cabinet filter on this 2024 Chevy Trax. For reference, the cabinet filter is located behind the glove box. You open it up, right? On most of them, there is a dampener that should be attached here. If you do have it, you put your finger like this and push it out, okay? But that one is not equipped with it, which is fine. So we're going to push that side here inward like this, and same thing right there. Okay, I'm gonna drop it, right? And here is your cabinet filter box. It's right here. It's inside the box. You could squeeze this tab here, squeeze this one, and you open it up. There it is. And that's the old filter. That one I've seen better days. Look how dirty it is. Look filthy. That's the new one, right? So pay attention to the orientation of the airflow. And just an FYI, if you have dirt and debris fall inside of the cabinet filter box, right, make sure you use a vacuum cleaner. Maybe you can use your hand to take it out, because if not, it's gonna throw down the blower motor out of balance, and it will be noisy. So you put it on. That one is okay, and you push this in. Good. And we're going to put this thing in. That's it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.